Stuffy nose. My nose is stuffy when I have a cold. My nose is so stuffy. I can't smell or taste anything. Runny nose. I had a runny nose when I was sick. I have a runny nose today. Feeling nauseous. The medicine made me feel nauseous. I feel nauseous when my stomach is upset. Sore throat. I had a sore throat when I was sick. I can't swallow anything because my throat is sore. Oversleep. I missed the bus this morning because I overslept again. I forgot to set my alarm and I overslept. Take a nap. I am quite tired, so I am going to take a short nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Take a day off. He decided to take a day off from work. The doctor told me to take a day off. Simmer. Leave the soup to simmer. Simmer the soup gently for 30 minutes. Boil. Boil the rice for 20 minutes. The tea is boiling in the pot. Stir. I need a spoon to stir my coffee. Can you stir the soup for me? Take a shower. I am going to take a shower. She decided to take a shower before dinner. Take a bath. She is going to take a bath. I usually take a bath before bed.